two rising stars in the no-code app builders arena, but only one can take the crown, Universe or Builder.ai. Which one actually lives up to the hype? On one side, we've got Universe, known for lightning fast mobile site building. On the other, Builder.ai, promising to turn any app idea into reality fast. We're putting both platforms to the test. Speed, customization, pricing, ease of use, real-world results, and more. No marketing jargon, no fluffy promises, just hands-on results. Every category earns points, so at the end you'll know exactly who wins. And trust us, the final score might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we jump in, here's a quick overview of what we're comparing today. We'll start with pricing, then check out speed and ease of use, look at customization, dive into AI capabilities, talk integrations, and finish up with support and community. Ready? Let's dive right in. First up, pricing. So, Universe keeps things kinda simple here with a transparent free and paid tier system. You got a forever free plan, and if you want to unlock more power, you just pay for what you use. Super straightforward. Okay, but if you want to get super advanced, yep, you might have to add a few paid extras. Now, switching over to Builder.ai, and things are a little less clear. They do give you flexible quote-based pricing and pay-as-you-build options, which is nice. But honestly, sometimes getting those custom quotes can get pricey, especially for big, complex projects. So if you like to know what you're spending upfront, Universe kind of wins the round here. Now, talking about speed and ease, Universe is honestly impressive. You enter the basics and whoosh, your app just appears. Seriously, the AI is doing all the heavy lifting, which means you can get prototypes up and running faster than you can order coffee. The flip side, you might hit a wall if you need something super custom. Alright, over to Builder.ai, they've got real human support every step, and there's a structure with templates that helps you put stuff together quick. But I gotta say, it's just not as instant. There's a bit more back and forth, more onboarding. If you want instant, like now, Universe totally has the edge. Let's move on to customization. So, Universe, it's great for common use cases and gives you automated workflows and some custom prompt action. But if you want full stack, deep down, custom backend magic, Universe has its limits. Builder.ai, on the other hand, this is what they do best. You want custom layouts, complex business logic, integrations with all sorts of things? Builder.ai is made for that. It's end-to-end. But yeah, it might take a bit more time if you're not super technical, and some advanced features can cost extra. For pure customization muscle, Builder.ai grabs the win. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Builder.ai has delivered over 1,000 custom apps in the past year alone. That's kind of wild, right? Just thought I'd throw that in before we wrap up. Okay, time for AI capabilities, and wow, Universe just goes off here. It's basically built on AI, think knowledge engines, intelligent workflows, chatbots, you name it. If you care about LLMs or vector search or like advanced reasoning in your app, Universe is seriously ahead. The catch? It's not your classic CRUD-heavy app builder, so it's not for every style. Builder.ai does have AI stuff as add-ons. They'll hook you up with chatbots, assistant features, and they work with third-party AI models, but it just doesn't feel as, native. For AI, Universe is top dog. Let's talk ecosystem and integrations now. Universe does a solid job here. You get ready-to-go connections to Google Drive, Slack, popular cloud storage, and your apps are easy to share or embed. But there's still room to grow with APIs, especially if you want super niche integrations. Now, Builder.ai, their list is huge. AWS, Azure, payment gateways, analytics, even DevOps. You can basically hook it into anything if you're willing to put in a little extra manual setup. So, for power users who want everything under the sun, Builder.ai has the advantage. Support and community. Alright, here's where things are, honestly. Pretty balanced. Universe has active web chat, great help docs, and onboarding that's fast and friendly. The only thing is, because it's newer, you might not find as many resources, or like Reddit threads if you get stuck. Builder.ai, on the other hand, they've got onboarding managers, a giant FAQ, tons of knowledge-based content. That said, smaller clients or free users might feel a little slower on the support front. So really, this one's neck and neck, no clear winner. Looking across all categories, there are definitely places where one platform pulls ahead over the other, but it really comes down to what you want most, speed and AI smarts, or all-out customization and integration power. Alright, so here's my final take. If you want to move crazy fast, build smart AI-powered apps or automation, and you don't need 1,000 custom features, Universe is an absolute winner. But if you need super custom, enterprise-grade software and want to connect to every tool on the planet, Builder.ai is hands down your best bet. So, what kind of builder are you? If this comparison helped, make sure to keep an eye out for our future updates. And hey, subscribe so you stay ahead of the curve in app building.